Good morning, children. How are you all? Amma? Hope you all fine. Okay, in the previous class we completed how to find the HCF by factors method and prime factorization method. At last division method it is completed. Now I am going to start how to find the LCM in different ways. See exercise 3.3. Find the LCM by prime factorization method. First one. Find the LCM by prime factorization method. By prime factorization method. Find the LCM by prime factorization method. See the first one is that 12 comma 15. 12 comma 15. How can we find that LCM by prime factorization using 12 and 15? What are the prime factors for 12, Amma? Do the prime factorization. 2 sixes and 2 threes. So 12 can be written as 2 into 2 into 3. Next 15 prime factors. 3 5s 15. So 15 can be written as 3 into 5. Here they are asking us to find LCM by prime factorization method. While going to find the LCM of the numbers, first you have to circle the common one and you have to write that the common one as one time. And remaining all the numbers in two sets, remaining all the numbers in the prime factors of 12 and 5. So 2 into 2 into 5. So 3 2 6, 6 10 60. 60 is the LCM. See the next one, 21 28. Second one, 21 28. 21 28. See here, what are the prime factors of 21, Amma? In 2 table it's not passed because it is an even number. So 3 table 3 sevens 28, 1 28, 2 table 2 14s, again 2 sevens. So now write the prime factors of 21 and 28. 21 prime factors 3 into 7, 28 prime factors 2 into 2 into 7. So which are common in these two? 7 is common. So you have to write only one time that 7. Yes, na? LCM equal to 7 into. Remaining numbers in both the factors. 3 into 2 into 2. So it's nothing but 7 3 is 21, 21 4 is 84. Okay. See the third one, Nana. 30 comma 45. 30 comma 45. 30 comma 45. Third one, 30 comma 45. 30 prime factors, 2 15s. 15 can be written as 3 5s. 45 prime factors, 5 9s. 9 can be written as 3 3s. So 30 can be written as 2 into 3 into 5. 45 can be written as 3 into 3 into 5. Now you have to write, first of all you have to write the common one. Yes, now while finding LCM, first you have to write the common one. What are that? 3 into 5, 3 into 5 is common. And remaining numbers in both the factors of 30 and 45. 2 into 3. 56 90 is the LCM. See the next one, Amma. 16 20. 16 20. 16 comma 20. What are the prime factors of 16? 2 8s 16, 2 4s 8, 2 2s 4. Again prime factors for 20. 2 10s, 2 5s. So you can write in an order. 16 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 20 can be written as 2 into 2 into 5. So which are common in that? 2 into 2 is common. Remaining all are not common. So 2 into 2 and remaining two numbers in first 2 into 2 and last in 5. So 65 is 80 is the LCM. 80 is the LCM. See next one, B Roman, find the LCM by division method. 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 Third one, division method. Find the LCM. Find the LCM by division method. Find the LCM by division method. Okay, see that. First one, 40 to 56. 40 to 56. How you will write the LCM by division method? The number which you have to take, it should be common for both the numbers. So 42 and 56 you can see in 7 table. 7 6 are 42, 7 8 is 56. 6 and 8 you can see in 2 table. 2 3s, 2 4s. So LCM equal to 7 into 2 into 3 into 4. 7 6 are 42, 42 into 4. 168 is the LCM. 168 is the LCM. See the second one, Amma. 24 32. 24 32. You can see these two numbers in 4 table, ma. 4 6 are 24. 4 8 is 32. Again these two are divisible in 2 table. 2 3s, 2 4s. So LCM equal to 4 into 2 into 3 into 4. 12 8s 9. 96 is the LCM. See the next one. 24 36. 24 36. In 12 table you can see 12 2s 12 3s. So LCM equal to 12 into 2 into 3. 12 6 are 72 is the LCM. Fourth one. 21 comma 28. 21 comma 28. In which table you can see 21 and 28 children? In 7 table we can see it. 7 3s and 7 4s. So LCM equal to 7 into 3 into 4. 3 4s 12, 12 7s 84 is the LCM. 84 is the LCM. See the fifth one, 108 144. 108 144. 108 144. 108 144. 108 with 144. One time 108. Remainder 6 3 36. 36 divides 108. 3 3 is 9. So 36 3s check nana. 36 3s 3 3 is 9 plus 1 10. 36 3 is 108. Here they asked LCM. No? Sorry ma, I mistaken it. You have to find the LCM, not HCF. 108 144. In 12 table we can see this number. 12 9s 12 12s. 9 and 12 are divisible in 3 table. 3 3s and 3 4s. So LCM equal to 12 into 3 into 3 into 4. It's nothing but 144 3s. 12 plus 1 13. 3 plus 1 4 4 30 is the answer. See the next one. 70 to 90. 70 to 90. See 2 table, 2 36s, 2 45s. 36 and 45 you can see 9 table, 9 4s, 9 5s. So LCM equal to 2 into 9 into 4 into 5. 20 18s. 360 is the LCM. See the seventh one children. 39 195. 39, 195. You can see these two numbers in 13 table. Number 13 threes, 13 ones, 13, 13 15s. 3 and 5 are divisible in 3 table only. 3 ones, 3 5s. So LCM equal to 13 into 3 into 5. 13 15s, 195. Okay. See the next one. 98, 147. 98, 147. 98, 147. 98, 147. 98, 147. Eighth one. These two are divisible in 7 table. 7 ones, 7 remainder 2 will be 7 fours. 7 twos, 14, 7 ones. 14 and 7, 21 are divisible in 7 table only. 7 twos, 14, 7 threes, 21. So LCM equal to 7 into 7 into 2 into 3. 49 into 6. 6 nines, 54, 6 fours, 24 plus 5, 29. 294 is the answer. See the ninth one. 105, 70. 105, 70. If you observe, these two numbers are divisible in 5 table, then 5 twos, 5 ones, 5 ones and 5 fours, 20. 21 and 14. These two are in 7 table. 7 threes, 7 twos. LCM equal to 5 into 7 into 3 into 2. 50 to 30, 37. 210 is the LCM. 210 is the LCM. See the next one. 85, 51. 85, 51. These two you can see in 17 table number, 17 5s and 17 3s. LCM equal to 17 into 5 into 3. 17 50. 17 5s, 85 into 3. 3 5s 50, 8 is 24 plus 1 25. 255 is the LCM. See the next one, children. 18, 24, 32. 18, 24, 32. 18, 24, 32. 18, 24, 32. In 2 table, 2 9s, 2 12s, 2 16s. 9 and 12 are divisible in 3 table. 3 is 9, 3 4s, 12. Again 16 here. 4 and 16 are divisible in 4 table. 3, 4 1s, 4 4s. So LCM equal to 2 into 3 into 4 into 3 into 4. It's nothing but 144 plus 288. 288. See the next one. 14, 28, 30. 14, 28, 30. You can see these three numbers in 2 table, 2 7s, 2 14s, 2 15s. 7 and 14 are divisible in 7 table, 7 1s, 7 2s and 15. Here 2 and 15 are co-prime, so there is no common factor for 2 and 15. So LCM equal to 2 into 7 into 2 into 15. 37 is 210, 210 2 is 420 is the answer. Okay. See the next one, Amma. 13th one, 24, 72, 90. 24, 72, 90. 24, 72, 90. See 6 table, 6 4s 24, 12 6 are 72, 15 6 are 90. 4, 12 and 15. 4 table, 4 ones, 4 threes and as usual 50. 3 and 15 are divisible in 3 table, 3 ones, 3 fives. So LCM equal to 6 into 4 into 3 into 5. 72 fives. 5 2s 10, 5 3, 35 plus 1 36. 360 is the right answer. See the 13th one number. 75 90 125. 75 90 120. 75 90 120. 75 90 125. These three are divisible in 5 table then. 5 15 75. 5 18s 90. Next 5 2s 10, 5 5s 25. 15 and 18. These two are divisible in 3 table. 3 5s, 3 6s and 25. Here 5 table, 5 1 6, 5 5 is 25. So simply you can write the LCM as 5 into 3 into 5 into 6 into 5. 150, 750, 3 is 30, 30 into 15, 4, 75 into 30, 0, 3 5s 15, 3 7s 21 plus 122. 2250 is the right answer. Okay children, next to you practice in home, mama. Okay, in the next class we will meet you again. Till then, goodbye.